Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report from my friend Brian down in Tennessee on the Stryker 955. Brian got it ready to go for you, our tuning alignment, as well as a voltage regulator upgrade. Let's get right to it. RF power all the way down, 50 watt slug, just a hair under 2 watts. Roll it all the way up, 20 watts. Average power swing, low, about 47, 48. Peak power, 100 watt scale, low, about 90, 91 watts. Alright, Brian is ready to come to you. I hope you enjoy from your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump bump.